Welcome to the Stargate 365 Getting Started series. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics of using Stargate to move information from one app to another. We are going to see how an order that lands in your Outlook account can easily be broken down, and the information sent to one or more apps automatically. In this case, the order will come from Fastspring. Order information will first be sent to Google Sheets, and then task information will be sent to Wunderlist. The final setup will look like this. Google Sheets will look like this. Wunderlist will look like this. For this video I have signed up for an Outlook account and created a folder named Fastspring. Created a filter in Outlook to route orders from Fastspring to the Fastspring folder. Forwarded a sample Fastspring order to Outlook to serve as a template. Signed up for Google Sheets. Created a spreadsheet named My Sales. Created a worksheet named Fastspring. Signed up for Wunderlist. Created a Stargate account. Let's get started. Log in to your Stargate account. Click on the first drop-down and select Fastspring Outlook. Then, click on the second drop-down and select Google Sheets. Click on Create Your Workflow to create your first workflow. You are now in the Stargate editor where apps can be connected to other apps. The first thing we need to do is to set up the Fastspring Outlook trigger. An example of a trigger is a new order email sent from Fastspring, landing in your Outlook folder. This will start Stargate's magic. Select New Email from the Event drop-down box. Click on Add a new account. Choose your Outlook account. Allow Stargate to access your Outlook account. Click on Auto Copy and Paste to transfer the Outlook code into the Stargate editor. Select Fastspring, which contains your email order, from the drop-down list. Stargate detects and extracts all relevant fields from the Fastspring email. In the process, it automatically creates rules for each field. This will be used as a template for future emails from Fastspring. You can edit these rules by clicking on the Click Here to Edit Rules button. For now, we will skip that as the fields are already extracted. Save the setup by clicking on Save. Test the step by clicking on the Test This Step button. This concludes adding the Fastspring Outlook trigger for Stargate. Now we need to send the Fastspring order information to Google Sheets. Click on the Google Sheets action to make it active. Select Create Spreadsheet row as the event. Click on Add a new account to start the connect of Stargate to your Google Sheets account. Authorize Stargate to use Google Sheets. Click on Auto Copy and Paste to transfer the Google Sheets code into the yellow input box in the Stargate editor. Select a spreadsheet from the drop-down. Select a worksheet from the drop-down. The order fields from Outlook and the Google Sheets fields are displayed. Stargate needs the first row of the Google Sheet to contain the field names. In our case it is blank as we have only created the sheet before logging into Stargate. Click on Actions and then on Create Google Sheet Column Headers on Server. This will automatically insert the names of the columns into the sheet, as well as fill them in on the right column in Stargate. All fields are inserted into the Google Sheet. If you do not want that, you can do the following. Delete the columns you do not need in Google Sheets. Try not to change the column names. If you do, you will have to manually link them to Outlook. When you are done, return to Stargate. Click on Actions and then on Reload Google Sheet Column Headers from your Google Sheet into the right column below. Click on Actions and then on Auto-Link left column to right column below. This automatically links all the Microsoft Outlook fields to the Google Sheets fields. If you change the names in Google Sheets, you will see that those fields are not linked to Outlook fields. To link these fields, drag and drop the field from the left column in Stargate to the right. Click on Save. Click on Test this step. Stargate will add a new row in the Google Sheet containing the Outlook data. You can check if it is correct in Google Sheets. This concludes adding the Google Sheets action for Stargate. I am now going to send some information to Wunderlist. Click on New Action. Click on the Wunderlist image. Select the Create a Task event from the drop-down. Click Add a new account. Follow the prompts and allow Stargate access. Auto-copy and paste the text to the yellow input box in Stargate. The Microsoft Outlook and Wunderlist fields are displayed. Click on the Edit button to the right of the red List ID field. Select the list you want to post to. Enter a title. You can type in the field or drag and drop fields from the Outlook fields which will be replaced. Click on Save. Click on Test this step. A new to-do will be created in your Wunderlist account. You might need to refresh Wunderlist before the new to-do shows up. To activate the workflow, switch it on at the top of the page. To test if your workflow is functioning properly, send another Fastspring email order to Outlook. Stargate will retrieve and parse the order from Outlook, and then add a Google Sheet entry and a Wunderlist entry. To send the information to more apps, click on the New Action button. For more information, please visit Stargate at stargate365.com.